Thank you for watching. Here we go. I am at a place that before I joined a boat club here up in Lake Lanier, I used to come out here in this little park. No one really knows about it. I'm gonna share you in on this secret right here. It's a beautiful place. What it is actually a boat ramp, but they have this little park beside it, and it just rocks. And it also has a men's and a ladies room. So that's real close by for the changing and whatever you need to do. But it's just a cool little park. So I'll take you here and show it to you. And it's right off of the parking lot there. The bathrooms are up that way there. And as you come down this way, you can see it's pet friendly. You can bring your dog out here. This is where I'm sitting right here. I'm just gonna hang out, have something to eat, go for a swim. Once again, this is Lake Lanier, and if you don't have a boat, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the lake. So I'm gonna take you a quick round here. I used to come out here all the time and hang out, and it's just a very cool place. You can, over here it's easier to get in and out of the water. Let me shake this. You can see there's a little beach there. You go swimming all around here. Plenty of trees. Put up a hammock. Very nice here. You gotta come early for this spot like these people got. Here's another little primo spot. Very nice area. Wow. I want to thank you for watching. Here we go. This is so relaxing. I'm just going to sit here for a while. I just got done eating lunch, and I'm going to go for a swim. And again, I will see you next time. Thanks again.